Are you ready? Our first poet of the evening is Hyperdelic. So please, everyone put your fists up, fists up, fists up, fists up. And a nice, loud rage it on the count of 3, 2, 1.
Rage it!
Peace. So it's been 20 years since this album was released. And like John said, the beast, the machine, the dunya hasn't taken one break. And the machine doesn't get old, so we do. And generations are giving birth to birth, so we gotta take the torch. And we gotta rage on, blaze the stage on. Alright. Make some noise if y'all feeling good, y'all ready for this shit. I'm looking to get wild and crazy, so I need some help. And if people want to fill up the floor and, save me from looking like a madman in the middle, help me out, help me run around. This is the Rage Show, this is not a poetry show. Check it out. When I'm above that stratosphere, check my ears and fly. They spread the lies, falling from a former enterprise. Samurai alibis, for me since I'm analyzed. I can't really depend on these men back in the end. We codependent, property for builders, go to prison. You want it all, gotta have it, there's no resistance. Architects, satellites, right? Sacrifices built on those who keep the streets alive at night. They wanna kill the moon with a rusty metal silver spoon. Alicia bound to keep it up, just another mouth to feed. The belly's looking full, but the belly empty, the head is on. But the head is empty, living in that frenzy. Sticks and stones, I got bricks and bones. Pimps and hoes, some realities are hard to grip and hold. I'm sniffing bloodlines, what's in the thug's mind? What's a broken love and the feeling that is crunch time? What's a broken love and the feeling that is... What's a broken love and the feeling that is crunch time? What's a broken love and the feeling that is... What's a broken love? Lies they tell, they wanna buy and sell. Hit the description, case and clientele. I rebel as I wanna die, no one really does. So what's in it for you? Young killers and renegades. Could they kill that slave up in your blood? Instead you chose the lean mug, shoulder shrug, militant methods and tough love. Can't stand a man, head up for something within the fall. Can't hate a man, ski mask his way into the mall. Hate it all, so close to my love, such a thin line. While you run up when that love goes so rough. Up and pump, chucks, muscle punch without looking up. Now you standing in the line with other ghouls who left they left behind. Babies born and rebel, hit the food to get the stress up on my chest until they need you put to rest. Sniffing bloodlines, cleaning out the thug's mind. All this broken love and the feeling that is crunch time. Sniffing bloodlines, cleaning out the thug's mind. All this broken love and the feeling that is crunch. Say burn it all down, then build it back up. Say burn it all down, then build it back up. Say burn it all down, then build it back up. Say burn it all down, then build it back up. Are you ready for this fucking album? Holy shit, listen to love. Yes. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Let's go on track. Yo, this is another bomb track. Come on, people. You gotta step up. This is a demon fight. Yo, this is another bomb track. 1, 2, yo, it's just another bomb track. It's something be thinking that they can fix this. But I'm not talking at a higher level. Cause I'm inclined to stoop down and help some beat down. Don't run up, train on pump, or I take it from the game. But I learned to turn that bridge into me. Go through the beat at a level that comes to me. Let out on my hand over the flank of the brain. To record the downfall and the feelings in the inner soul. Seeing the illusion of you that was reality. Talking about the blood, talking about the street. And all this alcohol, so my people need to learn. This is a suicide act, and they want to burn. With the thoughts of a militant mind. Hard time after hard time. And all the alcohol, so my people need to learn. This is a suicide act, and they want to burn. sketch in my notebook, and I'll go with my book, taking another look. My thoughts get here as you begin to fear that you go with me, pull, if you interfere with the thoughts of a militant mind. Hard time after hard time. They won't let out the world for my people, they come turn. This is the street light, and they want to burn. Burn, burn, they don't want to burn. Burn, burn, get so good to burn. Burn, burn, get so good to burn. Burn, burn, get so good to burn. Get so good to burn. Burn, get so good to burn. Burn, burn, get so good to burn. Burn, burn, get so good to burn. Burn, burn, get so good to burn. What?